Forget ordinary gadgets. These are the kind of tech products that make people stop and ask, where did you get that? From futuristic AR glasses to AI robots and insanely smart gear, here are 15 Amazon gadgets every tech lover will want this year. Number 15. 12 South AirFly Pro 2. Long flights become much more enjoyable with the 12 South AirFly Pro 2. This compact adapter lets you connect your favorite Bluetooth headphones directly to the airplane headphone jack so you can skip uncomfortable airline earbuds. Pairing is quick and simple thanks to dedicated buttons, while built-in volume controls make adjustments effortless. The battery lasts more than 25 hours, which is enough for even the longest international flights. It also works with gym equipment, handheld gaming devices and other audio sources with a headphone jack, making it a smart travel companion you will use almost everywhere. Number 14. ESR MagSafe GO Wallet with Apple Find My. Losing your wallet can instantly ruin your day, but the ESR MagSafe GO Wallet makes finding it much easier. Built-in Apple Find My support lets you locate it in seconds without needing a separate AirTag, keeping the wallet slim and lightweight. A rechargeable battery lasts up to 5 months, while an integrated speaker helps you pinpoint its exact location. It also stores up to 7 cards, cash, coins and ID cards, making it both practical and stylish. If you want smarter everyday carry, this wallet delivers convenience, security and peace of mind. Number 13. NexTool Flagship Pro Multitool. Why carry a toolbox when one tool can do almost everything? The NexTool Flagship Pro combines impressive versatility in a compact everyday carry. It has a variety of useful items such as needle nose pliers, a wood saw, pliers, a sharp knife, screwdrivers, a rope cutter, a bottle opener, and more. Despite offering so many functions, it remains lightweight, comfortable to carry, and quick to deploy. Whether you are camping, fixing equipment, tackling DIY projects, or handling unexpected repairs, this multi-tool gives you the right tool exactly when you need it without taking up much space. Number 12. Olight Arkfeld Ultra. A flashlight should do more than simply shine, and the Olight Arkfeld Ultra proves exactly that. Built from ultra-durable aluminum, it resists scratches and daily wear far better than ordinary flashlights. Inside its slim body are 3 useful tools, including a powerful 1400 lumen flashlight, a UV inspection light and a green laser pointer. 5 brightness settings can help you deal with everything from close-up to wide area lighting, while the magnetic tail keeps you hands-free. It is rechargeable and waterproof, so it can handle pretty much anything, either indoor or outdoor. Number 11. Therabody Theragun Mini 3rd Generation. Muscle soreness can ruin your momentum. The Theragun Mini helps you recover faster wherever you are. Smaller, lighter and quieter than before, it is built for life on the move. Do not let the compact size fool you. It delivers powerful percussive massage that eases tight muscles, boosts blood flow and speeds up recovery after every workout. 3 interchangeable attachments help you treat different muscle groups with precision. Adjustable speed settings match every recovery session. USB-C charging keeps it ready to go. Bluetooth app support adds guided routines. A built-in travel lock makes it perfect for every gym bag and every adventure. Number 10. Shokz OpenRun Pro 2. Most headphones shut the world out. The Shokz OpenRun Pro 2 keeps you aware while delivering impressive sound. Advanced dual-pitch technology combines bone conduction with an air conduction driver for clearer vocals, richer mids and deeper bass. Your ears stay completely open so you can hear traffic, conversations and everything happening around you. That makes them perfect for running, cycling and outdoor workouts. The lightweight design stays comfortable for hours without causing pressure. Customize your listening experience through the companion app. Enjoy premium audio while staying safe, comfortable and fully aware of your surroundings every step of the way. Number 9. PLAUD Note Pro. Taking notes has never been easier. The PLAUD Note Pro records meetings, lecture, interviews and conversations with remarkable clarity. Using its powerful studio-grade microphone array, it captures voices from up to 16 feet away and records for as long as 50 hours on a single charge. Once recording is complete, advanced AI automatically creates summaries, extracts key points and organizes everything into professional templates. You can even ask AI questions about your recordings to instantly find important information. Compact, intelligent and incredibly practical, the PLAUD Note Pro helps you focus on the conversation instead of writing notes. Number 8. Aiper Scuba X1 PROMAX. Pool cleaning no longer has to be hard work. The Aiper Scuba X1 PROMAX handles almost everything for you. It cleans the pool floor, walls, waterline and even floating debris with powerful suction and intelligent navigation that maps the most efficient cleaning path. Dual filtration captures everything from fine dirt to large leaves, while smart obstacle detection helps prevent missed areas. Simply controls it from your smartphone, place it in the water and let it do the rest. Instead of spending hours cleaning your pool, you can spend more time enjoying crystal clear water. Number 7. Razer Kishi Ultra. Turn your smartphone into a true handheld gaming console with the Razer Kishi Ultra. Full-sized controls deliver the comfort and precision of a premium console controller. Responsive mecha tactile buttons, precision thumbsticks, analog triggers, and an 8-way D-pad give you complete control in every game. Chroma RGB lighting adds style, while advanced haptic feedback makes every action feel more immersive. 15-watt USB-C pass-through charging keeps your device powered during marathon gaming sessions. It works with Android phones, newer iPhones, tablets, and even PCs, making it one of the most versatile gaming controllers you can carry anywhere. Number 6. Anker Prime 3-in-1 Fast Charging Power Bank. Low battery will never slow you down again. The Anker Prime 3-in-1 power bank delivers an incredible 250 watts of total output, allowing you to fast charge laptops, tablets, smartphones, and other USB-C devices at the same time. It also recharges itself at up to 170 watts, so you spend less time waiting and more time powered up. The companion app lets you monitor battery health, charging status, and even locate the power bank if you misplace it. Compact, powerful, and incredibly smart, it is built for modern life. Number 5. DJI Neo Mini Camera Drone. Big adventures can come in surprisingly small packages. The DJI Neo weighs just 135 grams yet captures stunning 4K video with impressive stabilization for smooth cinematic footage. Every flight starts right from the palm of your hand with no remote required, making it incredibly easy for beginners. AI subject tracking automatically follows you while hiking, cycling, or exploring, so you stay perfectly framed without touching the controls. You can also fly it using the DJI Fly app, traditional controllers, motion controls, or DJI goggles. Compact, safe, and packed with intelligent features, the DJI Neo is one of the easiest ways to capture amazing aerial shots. Number 4. Loona Smart Robot Pet. Meet Loona, the AI-powered robot pet that feels surprisingly alive. It is powered by advanced artificial intelligence and equipped with 6 precision motors for smooth, natural movement. An intelligent RGB camera helps it recognize faces, objects, and obstacles with ease. Loona responds to voice commands, plays games, learns new tricks, and reacts with expressive animations that make every interaction feel real. The more you use it, the more fun it becomes. Regular software updates unlock new features and smarter abilities over time, making Loona an entertaining companion that keeps getting better day after day. Whether it is entertaining the family, helping around the house, or simply keeping you company, Loona feels much more like a real companion than an ordinary smart gadget. Number 3. Insta360 GO 3S. The Insta360 GO 3S proves that incredible cameras do not have to be big. This tiny wearable action camera records crisp 4K video with flow state stabilization and horizon lock for incredibly smooth footage wherever your adventures take you. Its magnetic mounting system lets you capture creative first-person angles completely hands-free, while the included action pod adds a large flip touchscreen, longer battery life, and easy remote control. Waterproof construction, AI editing, gesture control, and Apple Find My support make it even more practical. Whether you are traveling, hiking, or creating content, this little camera delivers surprisingly big results. Number 2. HOVERair X1 PROMAX. Imagine having your own personal flying camera that follows you automatically. That is exactly what the HOVERair X1 PROMAX delivers. Weighing under 250 grams, it launches from your hand with a single button, then uses advanced AI tracking to keep you perfectly framed while running, cycling, hiking, or skiing. It records stunning 8K video, detailed 48-megapixel photos, and silky smooth footage thanks to intelligent stabilization. Multiple automated flight modes create professional-looking shots without any flying experience. Add built-in storage, collision detection, and enclosed propellers, and you have one of the smartest camera drones available today. Number 1. RayNeo Air 3S Pro. Watching movies, gaming, or even working feels completely different with the RayNeo Air 3S Pro. Carry a massive virtual screen wherever you go with these lightweight AR glasses. They create the experience of a huge 201-inch display that fits right in your pocket. Advanced micro OLED technology delivers outstanding brightness, deep contrast, and vibrant cinematic colors for an immersive viewing experience. Every movie, game, and video looks sharp, detailed, and incredibly lifelike. Built for extended use, they feature TUV certified low blue light protection and flicker-free performance to reduce eye strain. Adjustable brightness lets you stay comfortable in different lighting conditions, making these AR glasses perfect for entertainment, work, and travel. Add optional prescription lens support and you have one of the most impressive wearable display gadgets you can buy today. If you enjoyed the video, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.